In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with this called optional features that wireless display couldn't add whenever you try go over here and try to add the wireless display over here. If that is not working, then how we can fix it if you're facing this trouble. So this is what we have to do. So first of all, just go over here, close it. And what you need to do is the first and foremost of this all about, we have to go over here to the network and internet. And what you need to do is if you're on the Wi-Fi, you have to select Wi-Fi. If you're on the Ethernet, you have to select Ethernet. In my case, as you can see, I'm on Ethernet. So what I need to do is just go over here, click on over here like this. Now from here, what I need to do is over here, as you can see, if the metered connection is turned on, that is a reason. So try turning off the metered connection here. This is the first and foremost step. After doing this, you have to close this and go over here, search here for control panel. Then you have to click on the control panel here. Now once you get it to the control panel, as you can see, you might be set into some reasons for category to change this to the large icon. And once you get it to this, you have to click on internet option. Now once you click on this, go to the advanced. Now from here, you have to scroll it down all the way down. And you can see there is an option called use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. So what you need to do is you have to put a check on all these boxes. Use TLS 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, 1.0. If you don't find the put a check on this box, you have to put a check on this box. Then go for apply and go for OK. After trying with this, you have to close this over here. And we have to go over here in the search, type here for CMD because we need to run few commands. So go over here, run this as an administrator and just go for yes over here. Once you get into the administrator on the CMD, we need to run the few command, and the first one is all about we have to type ipconfig, then you have to put a space /, then you have to type flush DNS and you have to just press enter. Once done, I'll be providing a link in the description. You have to copy it and you have to paste it like this. Once you copy and paste it, as you can see, this is gonna take a little bit of time because this is a huge process. Even though it might take around 10 to 15 minutes, you have to just wait for this. Once this particular step is complete on your system, then you have to check with it. Still, if you find the trouble with this, then what you need to do is we have to go over here, search here for Windows security. Then what you need to do is once you search here for the Windows security, you have to click on it. So make sure that you type it properly. Just type Windows security, click on the Windows security here. Once you get into the Windows security, we need to make few important changes here. So one thing is all about once you get into the Windows security. Once you get into the Windows security, you have to click on the virus center protection. Now just click on the virus center protection from here. Now from here, you have to scroll it down, click on manage setting. And as you can see right now, the real-time protection is turned on. So what you need to do is you have to turn off the real-time protection from here. Once you turn off the real-time protection, you just need to go back to the settings and try downloading this one. After it's successfully downloaded, you can just go back, then try turning on this and you're fine with that. So these are the steps and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.